I love Christmas.
So do I.
But if we're doing all of our Christmas shopping and baking and cleaning a couple of days before Christmas, I don't love that.
No. So we are going to show you how we make Christmas less stressful by doing more in November.
Yeah, and in particular, the Christmas gift shopping.
Yes. There are a lot of things you can do to make December less stressful. You can get all your Christmas cards written early, or you can get all your wrapping supplies bought and set up. But the number one thing that made a difference for us was to get all of our Christmas shopping done in November.
Or most of it.
Yeah.
So we made a list, surprise, surprise, in a spreadsheet, which helps us keep an overview of all the people that we're planning on giving presents to, what ideas we have in mind in terms of presents, and if those presents have been bought and delivered, if we've ordered them online.
Yeah, and this is going to be an early Christmas present from us to you, so you can use this spreadsheet for your Christmas.
Yeah, so let's have a look.
First, we have a list of all the people we're buying Christmas presents for. Next to that is a list of all the gifts that they'll be getting.
Yeah.
Next to that, we cross out if we've made the gift or if we've bought the gift yet. And then we cross out if the gift is in-house, so if it's arrived yet. And then at the end, we write little notes or links to websites.
The whole idea with this list is to give us a quick overview of where we're at with regards to our Christmas shopping. So if we're missing ideas, we haven't bought gifts, or we've ordered them and they haven't arrived yet, we use colors to be able to quickly identify which ones we need to focus on. We've set all of this up to be really easy to use. So you'll enter the names onto the list and they'll show up as red. And then as you X off gifts being bought or gifts arriving, then the colors of the names will update automatically.
By getting all your Christmas shopping done early, you're able to really focus on the things you want to focus on during Christmas. Like spend more time with your family and really enjoy it. Also, you can skip some of that stress that's often associated with buying that many gifts at one time.
Yeah, exactly. And I think if you give it the thought and the time that the whole process deserves, you're going to end up being a better gift giver than, if you picked up your presents a quarter to Christmas at the local gas station. So to get started with your own copy of the spreadsheet, click the link below and follow the instructions. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below.
Also, please go to our website, realorganized.net, to find more helpful content and sign up for our mailing list. See you next time.